A very good morning. I hope you remember till which topic we had completed last time. We had seen free fall till free fall last time, and we'll be continuing with power. Now, there are some circumstances given. You have to see to it and you have to analyze what they are trying to say. The first situation is, can your father climb stairs as fast as you can? Second, will you fill the overhead water tank with the help of a bucket or an electric motor? The third one, suppose Rajashri, Yash and Ranjit have to reach the top of a small hill. Rajashri went by car, Yash went by cycling, while Ranjit went by walking. If all of them choose the same path, who will reach first and who will reach last? Here we'll be starting with the third situation. Here we have supposed to three friends have to reach the top of the hill, and one went with the car, second one went cycling, the third one went walking. As these situations are given in here, you can just imagine कि जो तीन situations है उसमें the one who is walking will be the one who will reach at the last. Okay, the last वाला है रंजीत will be the one जो सबसे last में पहुंचेगा. Why? Because all of them have some sort of services, some sort of vehicles with themselves, and even they're choosing the same path. So the one who is walking will be the one reaching at last, because the one went with car will be spending less amount of power. The one went with cycling, yes, they have to spend more amount of power than than the one went with car, but will be less in amount to in, as compared to Ranjit. Okay, in the examples, the work done is the same in each example, but the time taken to perform the work is different for each person or each method. The fast or slow rate of the work done is expressed in terms of power. Power is the rate at which work is done. If W amount of work is done in time t, then power is equals to work upon time. Power is equals to W upon t. What is power? Power is the rate at which the work is done. In हिंदी you can say कि पावर एक ऐसी चीज है, वो एक टाइम लिमिट बताता है कि इतने टाइम में इतना काम आपका हुआ है. जस्ट इमेजिन you have to lift up 5 kilos of wheat or rice, and you have to place it at some distance. Take that 5 kilos of something at the height of two floors. Okay, so imagine two person, you and your grandfather. The grandfather of your age will be definitely with the one जो सबसे last में पहुंचेंगे, because at their age the power and the energy definitely depletes. So the power is equals to work upon time. In SI system, the unit of work is J, so the unit of power is joule per second. As you know कि time का जो unit है, that is seconds in SI system. This is called watt. 1 watt is equals to 1 joule per 1 second. Work upon time, 1 joule per 1 second is equals to 1 watt. In industrial sector, the unit used to measure power is called horsepower, while unit used for energy, the unit of energy for commercial use is kilowatt hour. So the industrial sector is the one जहाँ पे बहुत बड़ी बड़ी जनरेटर्स एंड बहुत बड़ी बड़ी मशीन्स जो है अराउंड के बहुत ज़्यादा वॉट्स पे इस्तेमाल की जाती है, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड हाउस पावर. वाइल जो कमर्शियल यूज में लाइक बिल्डिंग्स एंड ऑल में जो इस्तेमाल की जाती है, जो इलेक्ट्रिक एंड ऑल सिटी, उसके जो वहाँ पे जो पावर यूज होता है, दैट इज किलोवाट पावर. Kilowatt hour. 1000 joule work performed in 1 second is 1 kilowatt power. 1 kilowatt hour is equals to 1 kilowatt into 1 hour. And if we convert this 1 hour into seconds, that is 3600. So 1000 watts multiplied by 3600 is 3650 joules. 1 kilowatt hour is equals to 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joules. Okay, we have to convert that into the raised to powers. Electricity used for domestic purposes is measured in units of kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour is equals to 1 unit. Okay, I hope you understand. You have to remember each and everything. Like in industrial sector, unit used for commercial use and even for the domestic purposes. Domestic purposes in the sense the power which we use at our homes.